So delicious. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing for you a banana raspberry smoothie. Okay, so before I go, remember to like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for always commenting. Okay guys, thank you so much. So, and remember to follow me on all social, okay, at Anbooth. So let's dive right into the main video. So is my banana raspberry smoothie. I have 3 ripe bananas, some raspberry here, and I have some pear that I will be including in it. I have my yogurt, some flocks, some chia seeds, and I have my milk, almond breeze milk. This is the original, okay? And I have my blender, so I'm gonna get started. So I'm gonna add the fruits to the blender. Fruits already cut up. The pear, that is. Gonna add the banana. I'm gonna add some cube ice. Yeah. Okay. And I'm gonna add some raspberry. The raspberry is frozen. I'm interested to see what it looks like. Okay, I'm gonna add my yogurt. This one is mango. It's supposed to taste extremely nice. I'm gonna add some chia seed. Chia seed is good for you. Okay. Then I'm gonna add the milk. Roughly a cup of milk. So it's just the raspberry. It's frozen, so I'm gonna add some cube ice. Already here. And then I'm gonna cover it. And there I have it guys, all done. Beautiful color, beautiful color, beautiful color. I'm gonna glass this now. Ice is already in that. So beautiful, so beautiful. Look at the color guys. I'm gonna garnish it with some whipped cream. So beautiful. It's not sweet, so it's the right consistency. So delicious. So delicious, guys. So delicious. So delicious. It's my banana raspberry smoothie. Go ahead and try it. You will love it. Okay guys, go ahead and try this smoothie. It is so delicious. All right. Yes guys, so the smoothies consist of banana, raspberry and pear, some chia seed, almond milk, yogurt and the whipped cream on top. Okay, go ahead and try this smoothie. You will love it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Until my next video, bye.